Hey YouTube friends, it's Mara and welcome back to my Art Break Life. I hope you're all having a fabulous day, evening so far, wherever it is you are in the world. Welcome to my Art Break and thank you for joining me. I just wanted to show you today that I got a surprise box in the mail from my sister. Of course, as you know, as I said before, she's in Japan and every so often she'll send me a box of goodies, or if there's something I see that I want, I'll ask her, hey, can you send this to me? So there are a few things in this box I did ask for, but there's a lot of things in here that wasn't something I asked for. So anyway, I'm just excited and I wanted to share it with you. So here we go. Still working on my filming setup. I'm not sure if I need to buy a new mount because everything seems really close here because of this big new desk I have. But anyway, these are the items that she sent to me from Japan. And so first off, I just want to pull this out here. This is a cute little Anpan Man cup, a mug actually, and bowl. And when we went to Japan in 2019, my youngest son, really took to Anpan Man and he really liked him. So every time she sees these at the secondhand stores, she'll pick them up and send them to me. And they're just so adorable. Look at that. So cute. And of course the matching little bowl. Very, very cute. Hopefully he doesn't break it, but I think it's super cute. And then, of course, you can't have a box without some goodies. So she also sent me these little, they almost look like Tetris blocks, but they're made out of gummies. So you can stack them up and eat them. So the kids are super excited to get into this. So that's why I wanted to share this video right away, because they wanted to eat this before I could film this. And then, of course, if you ever go to Japan, look for these Snickers. I tell you, they're life-changing. I love Snickers, but in Japan, they make it with dark chocolate, and it's not as sweet as the American Snickers, and oh my god, this is so good. So she would send me like little boxes. They come in boxes like this. They don't sell them in the full-size bars. They only come in these little snack size bars here. And so she said they've been hard to find ever since COVID hit. So I'm hoping she can find more before she has to leave Japan again. But yeah, got some of these yummy, yummy Japan Snickers here. So if you know, you know. Then, of course, they also always have like different Kit Kats. So this is, I'm not sure what flavor this is. It looks pretty interesting. And it got a little bit dinged up on the way here. Let's just open this up. So of course in Japan, they always come in these little snack sizes here. So I can't wait to give this one a try, because it looks like a flavor. Oh, maybe it's a variety pack. Let's see. There's three, or maybe it's just 3 different colors. I'm gonna have to use Google Translate and figure out what it says on here, but this looks pretty cute. And then for the art goodies I had her send me, so I'm really loving the poster color. So I asked her for another bottle of this peach or this skin color, because I really like this color. But then she also sent me this one, and I didn't know they came in these huge tubes. And look how cheap they are. It's $5.77 about there, and this one's $1.77. You buy this online? Oh my god, I don't even want to know how much you'd pay for this online, but I'm thinking the next time she sends me something, I want her to send me a white one like this, because I go through so much white. So this is so awesome to get. Can't wait to get into that. And then I was at a stationery store here in Hawaii, and I saw these pens, and I didn't ask her to send these to me, but I showed her to her, and I think they were super expensive. And look, she got them for almost $10. So that's pretty cool. This is the Clean Color Kuretake Real Brush Pen, set of 12. So I can't wait to get into these. I'm not sure if they're watercolor. I think they're just brush pens. So this is really cool. And then I asked her to send me these. These are the Kuretake white brush, or white pigment brush pen. So I have one of these, and she had sent me one of these before, and I used it up because I loved it so much. So she sent me another one. I wish I could refill this. That way it doesn't feel so wasteful. But, you know, so I had her send me another one. And this one looks also like a white as well, just a different brand here. So I'm kind of curious to try this one. It looks like this one has a thinner tip versus this one is kind of a chunkier tip. So I got that. And these here, she taped them together. So let's see what
Let's see what this is. So these look like color pens, or like, oh, mechanical pencils, but they're all different colors. Let me see. Oh yeah, the ink, I mean not the ink, the lead are all different colored lead. Oh, that's so cool. So this is a 07 size, and we got all these different color pencils here. And it seems like she bought me the refills of the lead, which is kind of cool. Awesome. And then I was looking for a thicker size pencil, mechanical pencil, and they're really hard to find here. And so I asked her to send me one of these. It's a 1.3 millimeter pencil. Sometimes I like drawing with a chubby pencil versus like a thin pencil. So this is a 1.3 millimeter mechanical pencil. Let's see if I can get it out of here. Very cool. Look how chubby that is. Oh my goodness. Look how chubby. Awesome. I like the feel of this one too. And here is the lead as well. These are the items that my sister sent me from Japan. So my little Japan haul. Thank you so much for staying with me and enjoying this little art break with me, as well as drawing. I do love playing with new art supplies. So this is going to be really fun for me to get into. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And let me know if there's anything else you want to see me do on my channel in the comments below. And until next time, you know what to do. Just keep drawing and creating. And this art break is done. Bye, guys.